Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X6A and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen. For example, like here. And basically all we have to do right now is to tap on this three dots icon in this panel and tap on the settings. Then let's tap on the languages. And as you can see, here we've got two different sections in this list. So your languages, those are currently applied, and pre-installed ones from which we can choose. Of course, if you cannot find the language in this list, just go to the very bottom of it and tap on all languages. Basically, it will be probably in those which are not pre-installed on the system, but that's okay. All you have to do is to find the language you'd like to apply and tap on it. So let me pick maybe this one. Okay, skip. As you can see, the device will try to actually download the language. Let's go back to the very top of the list, because here you can check whether it has been added or not. Immediately we will have the keyboard, thanks to which we will be able to check whether we've got this layout applied. And before I will remove the English, because sometimes you just want to have only one layout, so remove the old one and leave only newly added. But let me show you how to use the keyboard whenever you've got two or three or more languages added. So here we've got the keyboard, and basically all you have to do in order to switch through the languages or the keyboard types is to swipe on the spacebar. So as you can see right now, we've got the English, and now after swiping we've got this Georgian, I believe. This is how to spell that. And as you can see, this is really easy to switch through the languages, so you can always quickly choose different language. If you want to remove the languages from this list and at the same time from the keyboard, simply first of all either tap on this switcher, or if you want to remove it completely, just long press to delete. Tap on delete, and as you can see, we've got only English left. Still, we've got the keyboard here, so we can we can try to change the language, but you can see that we cannot really swipe on the spacebar. Alright, so basically this is it. This is how to change the keyboard language in your HONOR device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.